Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Pretty cool 3D looking spear. It's got larger dots and smaller dots. And on this one, they're black to gray. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a rectangle and I'm going to fill it in with black. And I'm going to take away the outline. And then I'm going to go to you can use the interactive fill tool, but I think the transparency tool works better. And then you could kind of even it out where it's about in the middle. Maybe a little bit more black. Now I'm going to go to Effects and Pointillizer. And I've already got it set on circles. I'm going to just use the default. And it does that right there. That's pretty cool. I mean, you could use that just by itself. But now we're going to take an ellipse, put it in the center. And because we created a second, it'll be on top. Go up to Effects and Lens. And we're going to get the fisheye tool. And look at that. Now we can increase this to 200. A lot of times that doesn't look really much better, but it does spread out the dots and kind of makes it look like a three-dimensional. And at this time, you can still move it where it's more black and the dots progressively get a little bit lower. Then you just need to go to frozen. And when you do that, you'll get this. Now I'm going to take away the outline by left-clicking now, but it still has a white background. That's kind of the way it works. And it's kind of hard to click on the white background. So I'm going to move the yellow box to half of it. I'm going to get this, go up to Object, Group, and ungroup it. And then I'm going to select on the white. And you can see down here, I don't really have anything. I'm going to hit Delete. And sometimes you can just move the white out of the way. And there you have a 3D looking sphere. See how the dots are closer and closer and then further apart and smaller. Well, that's the fisheye look, but because we did the transparency, these dots are a little less dark. And I mean, you could try it with the interactive fill tool. I'm going to go ahead and take away the outline. Let me get the interactive fill tool and just swipe across it. And let's put it more in the middle. This might look quite good. Go up to Pointillizer. See, you're going to get these waves that might be seen. And then just take your ellipse and put it like right in. Let's put it right in there and go lens effect, fisheye. Yeah, it's not as cool. But it's kind of all gray now. But you can see that, or I can see it. And let's try one more thing. That's one thing I like about the lens tool. You can delete it and start all over. So let's use the interactive fill tool after maybe the pointillizer. Nope, not going to work. Well, let's put black in this. Let's kind of give it a hazy look. It's not too much. Anyway, let's try it one more time. Let's take our ellipse, put it like right in there. Go up to the lens effect, fisheye, freeze it, and there you have that right there. Take away the outline. And every once in a while, the lens effect, you'll get weird stuff that comes out. So just redo it. You might have just been too close to the one. I think that's really my first one's probably the best one because it's actually gray to black. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.